Wait.
All right, so let's talk about this. You saw some shots already. There's not too much to this product, but let's just kind of go over the major key improvements that they've made. So overall, the buttons are just a lot more clicky, as I'm sure you heard it earlier too, but the buttons have a much nicer feel. The remote itself is curved and it's a little bit thicker, so it's a lot more comfortable to hear in the hand. And as you heard, I just turned on the TV. Now it does have a power button, which is amazing. It has a mute button, which I think was one of the biggest basically missing features of the last remote. And it has a back button, so it makes using this a lot less confusing. I think the other one, kind of having the back button be the menu button, was just a little bit too confusing for people. Obviously you get used to it, but this just makes much more sense. This just looks like a much more logical layout for the actual remote. You also get the Siri button on the side, and then you have the touchpad, which is basically directional. So yeah, essentially with this, you basically get much nicer buttons. You get a more logical layout that makes much more sense, and you get an amazing feel compared to the last one. So hopefully you won't basically be so pissed off at this that you just want to break it like I did. Yeah, I think that's going to hold up much better. Basically, huge win. Yeah, quick thoughts on the Apple TV. If you already have one, I wouldn't really necessarily upgrade. I think a lot of the features are coming to the older ones anyways, but this remote, definitely worth the 59 bucks. A little bit expensive, but worth it, I think, if you're going to be using the Apple TV pretty much constantly. So yeah, that's it for this review. Don't forget to take it easy with some tea, and I'll see you guys in the next one.